Hello, welcome to yet another vlog. So in this vlog we are going to buy a new helmet. This helmet is Vega helmet, as you can see, and this is 2 years old, and this helmet has only ISI certification and DOT certification, I guess. So people in my comment section and DMs told me that the helmet should have ECU certification, then only it is considered to be safe. So we're gonna go buy a new helmet which would possibly have ECE certification. I don't know what that is. Maybe some international certification. I have no idea about helmets. So people told me about helmets and their brands and all those sort of things. So let's go. యాక్చువల్లీ ప్యూర్ బ్లాక్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది కదా,
అలా రాదు. ఒక ఇందులో మీకు డబుల్ వైజర్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ఈ బటన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇట్లా అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ అనండి.
అవును, అంటే ఇండియన్ సర్టిఫైడ్ ఐఎస్ఐ ఇంకా డాట్ ఇండియన్, అలానే విగరస్ ఉండదు. బయట ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ యూకే సర్టిఫికేషన్ కదా. దీంట్లో కూడా ఇంటర్కామ్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. This is the helmet.
This is the actual final look of the helmet that I bought. It is really good, it is super cute, and it is super comfortable. I love the helmet. The very next day after my work, I actually went back to the same store again to get an intercom fitted on my helmet because it was pretty much a necessity for me at this point. I was tired of using earphones inside my helmets, so I just wanted to finally fix that problem and make my rides more comfortable. So, intercom would help me to not use my earphones all the time. So, I thought it is a necessity. I went back to the same store and got it fixed. So, let's see how it goes.
So it is all done. Now we are going home.